I get to be the one. Don't feel alone now, little baby. Do you hear me singing you a song? I can't wait to show you, little baby, how to crawl, how to walk, and how to run. I get to be the one to hold your hand. I get to be the one. Through birthdays and broken bones, I'll be there to watch you grow. I get to be the one. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yung Ju, ako nga pala si Ninong Rap. By the way, I want to greet you a happy 7th birthday. Ang wish ko lang, maging mabuting bata and study hard, maging mabait sa mga magulang, and hope to see you soon in the Philippines. Dami ng utang sa Ninong. Again, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Hello, mabuhay! Hi, Maring Sheila. And of course, hi to my inaanak, Yongju. I would like to greet you happy birthday. And please enjoy the rest of your celebration. I am your Ninang Kim, all the way from the Philippines. And please, laging susunod sa magulang and mag-aral mabuti. Be a good boy always. And once again, happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi there! Happy 7th birthday! 7 years old ka na pero hindi mo pa rin nakalungit. Hindi pa rin tayo nagkakakilala personally. Pero always remember na meron kang Ninang Joy dito sa Philippines na extended ang pagmamahal sa iyo at sa mama mo. Mag-aral ka mabuti and see you soon. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Drexel! Ayan, enjoy mo lang tong araw na to. And lagi ka magpapakabait kay Parikoy, kay Marikoy. And lagi mag-iingat kasama si Mama Silvia. Happy birthday!
Happy 7th birthday, Drexel. Wish ko sa'yo maging mabait ang bata. Magalang at pagbigay kagaya ni mami at daddy mo.
Happy birthday na! Love na love ka nila. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Love mo lagi si mommy and si daddy. Love from Canada. Happy birthday!
Hi Dexel, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye-bye!
Sayo 축하해요, Dexel. More birthdays to come. Maging mabuting bata. Sumunod kay Oma at Opa. Ninang loves you. 사랑해요.
안녕하세요, Yongju. Happy 7th birthday and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Yongju. From Ninong Alvin, sana lumaki kang mabuti at masulurin sa iyong mommy at daddy. At mag-aral na mabuti. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Yongju! Happy birthday! God bless you! I'm your Ninang from San Antonio, USA. God bless you! 안녕하세요! 감사합니다! Bye! God bless you! Bye-bye! Mommy, Shushe, Ate Ibia, ingat kayo dyan sa asawa mo at sa family niyo. God bless you all!
Happy 7th birthday, Drexel! Tuloy mo lang yung pagiging sweet mo sa mommy mo and sana mabisita kita dyan sa Korea. Happy birthday din natin, Sheila.
Hello, Korea. Hello, paring Dex, Maring She, and sa inaanak kong si Drexel, happy 7th birthday. Laging mag-iingat with your mama and papa, and laging magpakabait lang. Yun lang. This is Nanong Joyce from Qatar. Bye-bye.
Kamusta na kayo dyan? Pare, kamusta na kayo dyan? Eto, natutog pa rin. Habang buhay nasa. Happy birthday, Yongju! Happy birthday, lagi magbabait. Ha? Kamusta sa lahat dyan? Happy birthday! Ayan na.
Happy birthday, Drexel. We love you. Sana maging mabuti kang anak. Sana mahalin mo si Daddy at Mami. We love you.
Hello, Yongju! Happy birthday! Inaanak kong si Yongju. Ayan, may you be blessed with all the best in this world. Laging tatandaan, nandito si Ninong, nagmamahal. Ayan, at God bless you! Happy birthday, Yongju! Enjoy your day!
Ay! Birthday nga pala ng mahal kong pamangkin no, si Drexel. Korean, ay, English, okay. Baka nakarawak sa'yo. Nandito lang ako ngayon, Ninong mo. Happy birthday to you, and beloved anak, Drexel. I love you. Bibigyan ka ng, I will give you Robux as a birthday gift. Haji mo no.
Hello? Hello? Kuya? Drexel? Happy? 7th birthday. Peace. Love. You. Ingat. Apo. Palagi. God bless po. Love you. Happy 7th birthday, Drexel. We love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Big boy ka na. Sunod palagi sa magulang. Lumaki na may takot sa Diyos. Love ka namin.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Sana maging mabait kang bata at magalang sa magulang. Yun lang. Kiss mo.
Kiss mo. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Happy. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Drexel. Happy birthday, Drexel. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Drexel. Happy birthday, Drexel. Happy birthday, Drexel. Say na, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Drexel. Charm, happy birthday kay Drexel. Uy. Birthday. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Happy birthday, Drexel. Wish you all the best. Miss you, love you, and what?
Hi Drexel, this is Tita Chi. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you good health and be surrounded by your loved ones and cherish every moment. Love you.
Happy birthday, Drexel. Stay happy and continue to be a blessing to your parents.
Hello, Yongju. This is your Papalo of Saudi Arabia, Fernando Banonong Vlog 09. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Sana maging mabuti kang bata hanggang sa lumaki ka. Ingat at God bless to all of you. Regards sa inyo dyan sa South Korea. And once again, I would like to greet you, Singhil Chuka Hamnida. Bye-bye!
Birthday yung Joe. Happy birthday, Joe. Sama. Happy birthday, Anju.
Happy birthday! Thank you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kuya Yongju! Yay!
God bless you!
Bye-bye!
Ingat lagi! Take care!
Happy birthday, Anju.
Happy birthday, Drexel!